Bro yung habalo naning effect naning metong Aldo, or in this case kapit ng Aldo kaya Aqua Planet ayun eh. Lasak.
Will you take part in my life, my love? That is my dream. Life is but a dream. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it. Life is but a dream.
Alright, on the way na kami kay Aqua Planet, Kenny Clark. First time ng Kalia kanyan. Ay ta, kaya bigay my wifey. Ayan, first one.
Always try to give. Don't ever take it. Life is but a dream.
Alright, excited ka? Lumano tam?
Nagdudo.
Magdudu mo kay Aqua Planet.
I'm really killing.
Wala ko muna yun.
Let's go, Daddy, to the dudu.
So kini Aqua Planet, ing entry mo kini ining RFID. Apin ining basically ing entrance mo. Kini ka rin mag-load, malyari may i-load din for payments inside the park. You cannot use cash to transact inside the park. Okay, so mistake number 1, don't bring your floaters inside Aqua Planet. Yan ibalik ko lang sa agad.
A few moments later.
Ready?
Kawat mo?
Thank you. Nano, excited ka? Ito nga hindi ka na king Aqua Planet for kids. It's perfect for kids. Excited? Alright. Alright, lalagyan ni. Bawal mamalik yung anak. Oh! Kumusta na naman?
Daratang pang maragol.
Hapin mo yan yung pag-sharing ang kaya ang anak, eh mo nalakwan yan eh. Ano buri mo sa akin? Di ako reta sana eh.
Oo, wala tapang sese.
Alata pa manyese. Kumusta? Ay ne, pisabin ka pa na din.
Hi, Kali. Hi po, ano? Hi,
Kaya begging ni Ashley singing marketing na ning Aqua Planet dati kay estudyante.
Again, aro? Masaya, magpali yan ah.
Mapali na. O tara, swimming tayo na pa. Bye-bye. Beto ka rin paborito ang attractions kaya ning Aqua Planet. Ining wave pool. Go Kalia! So, mga kayo Aqua Planet, make sure na mga ngayong kaya ang anak. At ngayon kaya magbante. Kasi ayula I experienced that ang adults only rides. And by adults only rides, I mean that ang rides na you have to be 4 feet and above. Kasi since kaya may Kalia, mila sa gendet. Nano? You're not tired?
Let's go. Kenny, let's go. Imami Papa may daddy right. Let's go to the beach, Daddy. Let's go. You stay here. Stay here. The beach. Stay here. Let's go to the beach. Walk.
Torn between two of the most important women in my life.
To the beach.
O, sulod mo pa itang kay mo. Sulod mo pa itang kay mo. Body glove. Yan. O, float kayo. Thank you, thank you. Amo, gani kayo. Gani ko pa. Ay, ami kasi itong kaya ng Kalia, ganyan floater.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Okay, so Kalia, nanong second mo? Nanong second mo? Itang wave? Ang po itang mapagal na guys. May kapila na yung rides. May kapila na yung attractions. So, Kenny, Aqua Planet, you have to expect that itang pagal kayo. And it's tough going from one ride to the other kasi mga loud yet. This is a really huge place. Nano?
At mo kalimutan mag-ride.
O, sagli mo. Anto na yung next ride na. Tara. Hoy, nori ka munta! May itong masanting nga feature kining Aqua Planet for families are these family changing rooms. Mas maragula size retang showers da kini as compared ka retang individual restroom. Mas maragula. Very spacious. Good job, Aqua Planet. Kali, did you have fun? Did you have fun? Eh, kami enjoy? Yes, mig-enjoy ka? So ito ay rin kaya kaming trip to Aqua Planet here in Clark. No, buriyo lang kabalo din ang pricing just visit their website, follow them on Facebook at ilang page in Aqua Planet. To answer the question of this video, if Aqua Planet is great for kids, I would say yes, okay, yeah, especially if you can afford it. Just a reminder nung ating kakayabang anak, it's gonna be pretty hard to ride the other rides. Huling itapin na lang ako magbante mga yun. Pero mas masanting nung dahil kayo, bring in the whole family, total malagal mo naman. And you get to enjoy the slides. Since Emila, I enjoyed it ang slides ngeni. And bawal mo rin magdalang camera equipment kaya ng slides due to safety reasons. Ayun na mo, albenyo niya ini.
I have his music.
Whee!